Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the engine oil and oil filter on a 5 Series BMW. First thing to do would be to open the air filter cover. It should come off easily when pulling it upwards. Once the cover's off, you should be able to see the air filter and the air filter housing. The complete air filter housing needs to be taken out, so you'll have to disconnect all the pipes that's attached to it. After that, you should be able to take off the air filter housing. It should come off easily when pulling it upwards. Then you should be able to see the oil filter housing. You will need a 27mm socket and a ratchet to open the oil filter cap. After you've taken off the oil filter cap, you should be able to see the oil filter. You can take the old oil filter out from its casing by pulling it outward. Then you need to change the rubber seals that goes on the oil filter housing cap. After that, you can install the new oil filter and screw the oil filter housing cap back on. Now, in order to take the engine oil out, I'm going to be using an oil extractor. After that, you can reinstall the air filter housing. And finally, you can put the engine oil in and you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.